You've probably seen those viral animal videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Super cute pets cooking, dancing, or doing something totally unexpected and racking up millions of views. What if I told you that you can create those same kinds of videos yourself using AI and no filming needed at all? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this trendy cats videos the easiest way. So this channel right here, you can see the videos actually getting over millions of views. This video is having 46 million views. This is having 41. And if you check this channel is actually having just 84 videos and already having over 1 million subscribers. There's another channel over here called Meow Motion, and then with 93 videos, it's already having close to about 3 million subscribers. And look at the videos over here. This video is having 86 million views, and if you check the channel, it was created in December 2023 and already is having close to over 600 million views. We're going to generate our images. We're going to convert these images into videos. And then we're going to generate our own music using Suno AI. The most interesting thing here is that I'm going to show you how you can edit this with CapCut. And I'm going to walk you through everything step by step with no step skipped. So this is actually how I created this video. Now let's watch what I've created myself. So I created a song with free tools. And then the sound effects and everything, I'm going to show you how to get it. So let's jump right into this. The first thing we need to do is to generate our concept. We're going to use ChatGPT to get our prompt in order to generate our images. So copy the prompt, which I'm going to leave the link to this prompt at the description of this video. And then let's go to ChatGPT and then paste the entire prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT actually generated about 6 stages for this cooking process for us. We can see the last stage is where the cat is actually eating the dish. So I'm going to show you how we can do this. So first of all, we're going to copy the first prompt. Just copy this first prompt. And then we'll go to the Piklumon and then make sure you click on Launch. And then you have to sign up actually. So just go ahead and click on Launch App. The next thing you do is that we need to check the resolution. Since we are going to do this for short, click here and then make sure you select the 9:16 ratio. That is the portrait form. Select that. And then for the model, select this particular one, the flux. Just select that one. And then what we're going to this option and select 2 images where we can pick the best from that. So I'm going to paste this and then let's go ahead and generate this. Okay, as you can see, our first set is ready. That's the first image. So when you click on this image, you can see this quality is good. Now we want to maintain consistency in our images. So we're going to copy this seed here. And let's go back to create. And then we're going to go to this filter option, that's advanced setting. And I'm going to fix here. And I'm going to paste this seed here in order to maintain consistency in the rest of the images that we're going to generate. So here, let's go back and copy the next prompt. That'll be stage 2, then I will paste it back. Make sure you're using the right aspect ratio. So as you can see, we have the next one. All we're going to do is I'm going to run through this and then generate it for the rest. So I'm going to speed up this part of the video and do that for the rest up to stage 6. As you can see, I've generated all my images and everything is perfect because I use a seed. I've been able to maintain the consistency in all my images. Now, all we need to do is that every state, we're going to just select one of these images, just go ahead and download that. We're going to download one image, just look through and download the best out of the 2. And then, that's what we're going to use. I've downloaded all my images, the 3 stages. All I need to do now is that we're going to go to this website here, Hello AI. This is where we're going to convert these images, these static images, into video. Let's go to Create first. Make sure you sign up and then go to Create. When you go to Create, you're going to use the image to video. All we need to do is that we're going to drag our images over here, but make sure you add a prompt to the images in order to get a perfect result. Since we already have the prompt, we can come here, and I copy this prompt for the first stage. And I will go to this image to video, paste the prompts here, and then drag the corresponding image. I'm going to drag the image. Now, when you add your image and a corresponding prompt, just click here to create. You can add as many as 5 in a queue. If you're a free user, you can add just about 3 in a queue. So here I'm using the premium, so I can add about 5 in a queue. I'm going to do that for the rest of the images, and then let's see the final results. Now, with the help of Hello AI, I've been able to convert these images into videos. As you can see, this is now video. We're going to download this, and then we're going to go to the next step, which is putting them into life. We will edit this. So I'm going to go down here and click the download button here and download all my videos. Now I have my videos downloaded. We're going to drag this entire video and then we'll move them to CapCut. Okay, so I have my videos in CapCut. But before we edit this video, we first need to generate our music. We need to first generate our music for this video and also download the sound effects. So let's go back here and then go to Suno AI. We're going to generate our music for this video, and the best app is use Suno AI to do that. But before we do that, you're going to add this last prompt. So we're going to copy this final prompt here and we're going to paste it. We are basically telling ChatGPT to give us a song that will correspond with our video. So ChatGPT is going to give us this, which we can use in Suno AI. Copy this prompt, and then we go to Suno AI. Let's go to Create, and I'm going to use this option. So make sure you turn on this instrumental, and then paste it right here. You can give it a title. So let's call it Cat Video. And then click on Create. Suno AI will now give us 2 music songs, and then we can pick from that. So this is the first and second. Let's play this and see. I'm going to test the second as well. For me, both music songs are actually very cool. I'll pick any of them that I feel is okay. Just click on these 3 dots and then go to download and then make sure you click and then download this as audio. I'm going to move my audio to CapCut. So I'm just going to drag the audio first, and now we are going to arrange our videos in the order in which it was downloaded. We need to make sure and then follow the steps. So I'm going to drag them into the timeline. First, we're going to start from where the cat is cutting the carrot. This is the first step, and it's going to follow like that. Now I have my videos arranged in that order. We don't need the entire music. The length of this music is too much. So make sure you split this, and then just to take this part off. Now this is basically going to be our video. This is what we're going to have. And then what we want to do also is that we're going to go to transition here, and then let's pick any transition effects that you feel that will be okay for you. I'm going to use this. I'm going to drop this between one of these videos like this, and then I'm going to reduce it to 0.2 and then apply to all. I also want to add some filter to this. I'm going to use the clip filter, place it on top, and then drag it across like this. Now if you play this, this is the result. As you can see, we're almost there, but to be perfect, you need to add some sound effects, like cutting carrots, and also adding effects to mimic the boiling oil. Alright, let's do that. In order to get this sound effect, you can easily go to Pixabay, and then you can get some sound effect. You can get whatever sound effect you want, just type in there. As you can see, I need the cutting carrot sound and easily got that. This is a perfect one. We go ahead and download this. Now we place it just beneath where the cat is cutting the carrots on the timeline. Right here we can increase the volume a bit. Here the cat is doing the mixing. So, we're going to look for a mixing sound effect and then add them. You can go to Pixabay and then download that. I'm going to add the sound effect, and let's see the final results and see the changes. It's a perfect video, and this is going to be very engaging for your viewers. So when you're done with this, all you have to do is to go to export here, and then give your video a title, and then export this. And just like that, you've got your own viral cat video, made with AI. Hit like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to see more animal content ideas. See you in the next one.